Thanks for stopping by our channel. Today, we're going to work on this customizable card, inspired by Broadway. It's a red and gold cardstock design with intricate cutouts that mimic theater lights, curtains, and seats, perfect for celebrating someone special. This design was actually requested by a customer who wanted Broadway-themed bat mitzvah invitations. Thank you so much for supporting our Etsy SVG shop, Exodus 31 Designs. So let's dive right in and open Cricut Design Space. Once the file is uploaded, I'm going to use the version that starts with score lines, because I'll be using the scoring stylus. In the right-hand panel, open up the layers, find the score lines, and change their operation from cut to score. Ungroup. For the pocket layer and its score lines, go ahead and use the attach function. Next, use the text tool to add a name or word of your choice. I'm using the Franklin Gothic font, but feel free to use your favorite. Make sure the top and bottom edges of the text touch the edges of the rectangle meant for personalization. Use the Align Center tool to get the text perfectly placed. Then select both the red layer and the text and hit Weld. If the score line disappeared, don't worry, just move the red layer to the back and you'll see it again. Now select the red layer and the score line and click Attach. The file is now ready to cut. Click Make It. We'll have 3 mats to cut. The inserts, you can personalize and print these however you like. This one is cut only. The folder side of the trifold pocket card, score and cut. The pocket side of the trifold pocket card, also score and cut. My go-to cutting tips. Use 80 pounds cardstock. Choose the setting cardstock for intricate cuts. Make sure your mat is sticky enough. Check that your blade is nice and sharp. Optional, use the mirror option when needed. To make this card, you'll need 2 sheets of 8, 5x 11 inch cardstock. Once assembled, the card measures 5x 7 inches. After cutting all the pieces, it's time to assemble. Fold the folder side along the score line. Fold the pocket piece and glue the 2 side tabs. Attach the folder and pocket pieces using the main tab, like I'm showing here. Place the inserts inside the card. These are just templates. You can customize them however you like. The download also includes a template to make this envelope. You'll need 12 x 12 inch paper or cardstock, and the final size is roughly a 7. And here's the final result. Thanks so much for watching. Let us know in the comments if there's a specific design you'd love to see. We just might create it in a future project. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss out on more tutorials about beautiful and practical papercraft projects we can make with our cutting machines.